is the first day of my parental leave, maternity leave, and we bought a freezer over the weekend, so I am going to have to stock the freezer. So I am going to try making homemade English muffins. I haven't done it before, so we'll see how that goes. And I'm thinking of making breakfast sandwiches with breakfast sausage because that just sounds so delicious. Before we get started though, I am going to get one of the strawberry milk from Lewis Road Creamery because this is the best strawberry milk I've ever had. Also, I got some reduced items from the grocery store, and that's one way we try to keep our grocery budget low, except that every time I get off work, none of the reduced items are ever there. So first day of maternity leave, go to the grocery store when the reduced items are out. First step, gathering all my ingredients. I have flour, yeast, salt, sugar, egg, butter, semolina, and milk. So let's get started. So I have the dough mixture in the mixer right now, and we'll mix it up for about 7 minutes and let's see what happens. So we have the breakfast sausage here, and I'm cooking another batch up. And right here we have the first batch of English muffins in the pan. We don't really have a lid that is big enough for the pan, so we're just, it'll be ugly, but that's okay. Then over here we have the rest of the English muffins, and we're gonna put the eggs in the oven. So we are unboxing the car seat. A little late, but, well, not really late, but hey, better late than never.
Well, it's not late. It's not late if the baby's not here yet.
True. But it could come anytime now, so.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that all there is to it?
Just got everything all in one piece. Yep. That's all of it. So we've got the
base.
base there. This is the hand. And there's the release on it. So it just pops off right there. Okay.
Cool. We'll figure out how to install it in a bit.
Yeah. And that just pops on easy.
Is there anything else in the box?
This part. Nope, that's literally everything in the box.
We've never really vacuumed the car ever, but we are headed to the gas station to vacuum the car because we're about to install the car seat.
Yeah, we live in an apartment and there's no place to hook up our own vacuum, so.
Well, and the other thing though is our car got broken into about 1.5 years ago. Has it been 1.5 years?
I think so.
Just about, yeah. And we still have glass
bit
pieces
of glass pieces back there
from the window.
we just completely forgot about.
Yeah, they didn't steal anything because we didn't have anything in the car for them to steal except for like napkins or something.
Broke a window or threw a screwdriver through the window or something and just left it there.
Yeah, but anyway, so we have to vacuum the car before we install the car seat. Alright, this is our first time using one of these, so we'll see if it works. Brian's trying to install the car seat base, and I'm gonna try to wipe this. We only got 4 minutes of vacuum time, so we didn't get everything, but we got the major stuff. So we are now going to unbox our stroller slash bassinet. This one's pretty heavy.
Got an interesting little
What's that?
booklet of, assuming this is a little welcome and instructions.
That might be either one of the seats of the bassinet.
Okay, so those all kind of fit together.
This is the bag for those.
Some wheels.
Out the wheels because I think the wheels are there and there.
Yep. Okay. Just got bunches of little foam in between things.
We might want to look at the instructions, how to like put the wheels on and be good
Yeah.
at it and taking it out and whatnot.
Yeah.
This one's pretty heavy here. Oh, those are the
big
the
wheels.
big wheels.
Okay. So over here, bits and pieces, and then the rest of this
That
is
just packaging.
all packaging.
Interesting things like a rain cover and a bug net.